kind of under that Dutch agriculture window, we have our openers. So we have the Dutch opener division, um, and that basically is tillage tools designed for the purpose of bolting on to different seeding tools and used to place the seed and fertilizer in the ground. And then from there we have another thing that's kind of unique to Dutch is we build custom cab filters to filter the air coming into the cab on a tractor. And what it does is it uses activated charcoal to basically filter out the any harmful chemicals. And then we also have another option which is called amalgam, and that filters out the fumes from ammonia and hydrous, and that stuff can be deadly at times. And so you want to keep that out of the cab of the tractor. So we use that to do that. We built crop lifters on that side as well, and those are depending on the year and what kind of I guess how Mother Nature's acting out there. Some years are better than others for those, but other things that we build that is a big part of that egg sector is our Dutch BioSpreaders. So we build two different sizes of manure spreaders that go from 12 all the way up to 21 ton capacity. And there's a bit of a history kind of behind why we got into that, and it's served as a real nice transition for us as kind of a full-fledged product in our egg lineup.